Hello everyone, you are welcome once again. Thanks for stopping by. Today I will be putting on how to make anointing oil, the olive oil. And now we only need two ingredients, the color, which is a specific kind of color, not just any color, and then the paraffin oil. And of course, I will need a stainless bowl. And then I need just any turning stick like this. I chose this cotton bud and then a little container to mix my color later. Okay. So I'll be pouring this is the paraffin oil. I just need paraffin oil and the color. So I pour my paraffin oil into a container, into the stainless bowl, and then I need that stainless bowl because I want to heat the paraffin oil, double heating it. You know what is double heating? Putting water in the bigger bowl and then putting another bowl inside the hot water. And this is done just to help kill every possible infirmities, impurity in the oil. You know, at times some people take it orally. Okay, so I've heated it for about 10 minutes. I've brought it down now, and then what will be the next thing I'm going to do? You know, I'm going to transfer it to this cup so that it will be easier for pouring it into the bottles later. Okay, that little particle was later removed. Okay, it was taken note that it dropped there, so you have to avoid any particles following. So I have to throw away the remnants. Okay, and the one that entered that cup was later removed. So inside that small container, that little cup, I put a little oil there and then the color. So I mix the color thoroughly there to make sure it's well mixed before pouring into the main oil. Okay, don't forget to click the like button so that you can follow for more. And of course, I run on free online classes. You will see my description, the link on the description. Okay, so still mixing the color to make sure it's well mixed. Then why I have to do this is because of I want to control my consistency, the consistency of the color. So you just don't pour the oil there. If you get to market, you see some of the so-called anointing olive oil very yellowish. So to avoid that, you have to do the inputting of the oil, the color gradually. Okay, just waiting for the oil to be a bit cooler. So I will do a first test to find out how it will be. Okay, so you cannot just drop your oil little by little and watch the consistency. Okay, yes, so if it's okay for you, because after leaving it the color gets darkened, so you must be very careful the quantity of the color you put into it. Like I said, it's not just any color you can use on it. There's the one you can mix with this one. You can find that in the description box below. Okay, so just check it. It's okay like this because the longer it stays down, the more the oil, the color will darken. Okay, if you are interested in us making quantity for you, you are free to chat us, contact us. You want it for the church, you want to wholesale, you want to sell them, we can make for you at a moderate price and you will be able to make your gain in it. Don't forget to join my online classes, free online classes there, and then click on the plus sign so that you can get more content like this. And then wait for me on my next video. I will be teaching us how to make neem oil that we can use for our hair, for body. Very, very beneficial. Just wait and see you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye for staying till now. I appreciate you. Thanks for the time you have spent watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.